ZANU Youth League Deputy Commissioner Taura Kanishaya has delivered a stinging rebuke to controversial businessman Chivayo, cautioning that his conduct risks undermining party authority by fostering parallel structures. Beware of creating parallel structures. Kanishaya warns Chivayo. Subscribe or like it on the bell icon. The warning follows Chivayo's pledge to donate $3.6 million to the 360 legislators, with the assertion that any beneficiary who declines the offer would see the funds redirected to alternative candidates. In a sharply worded Facebook response, Kanishaya castigated Chivayo for straying beyond acceptable bounds, stressing that the party would not countenance any maneuvers tantamount to imposing preferred representatives outside established democratic process. In a statement released to mark Independence Day, Chivayo announced that he would next week present the funds to Speaker of Parliament Jacob Mutenda, with each of the country's 360 legislators in mind to receive $10,000 in quotes. I will hand over a total of $3.6 million to the Speaker of Parliament Jacob Mutenda next week in order to distribute it as $10,000 to each of the 360 members of Parliament and senators for use strictly towards constituency development. He further emphasized that the gesture is purely voluntary, stressing that no legislator is under any obligation to accept the funds. If any honorable MP is unwilling to accept this offer, they are at liberty to do so. That's democracy. In such instances, however, there will be no harm in identifying a competent and pro-development individual from your constituency, whether a former MP, a shadow MP, or aspiring leader who can take up the responsibility of driving the development towards the grassroots level. Every constituency must be developed, and every Zimbabwean must feel the gains of our independence. Development must be inclusive across the nation, and today, as we celebrate 46 years of independence, he said. Normal developments are in Zimbabwe. Chivayo over 3.6 million. Zvaitwa Kanishaya auya achiti aiwa zvakuitiwa naChivayo izvi zvinocreate parallel structures. Pina comment section medu zvafungura enyu motodiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musawana subscribe or like, chiri on the bell icon.